Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to Chat with IK. So this will be the first episode of a new series, which will be titled Trader Talk Sunday. So the purpose of this episode or of this series is for documentation, for me to document my trading journey from now on. So I'll be posting every Sunday. From now, I'll be posting every Sunday showing my analysis before the trade plays out or before the market opens. So, and also, I will use this opportunity to also document the prop firm account I will be trading in this series. So, I bought a 5K account and I will document everything from the start to the end. I might blow it, I might pass it depending on the outcome. But this page is based on clear transparency on how I trade and my trading strategy. So let's get started with the first episode. So on today's episode, I have just one pair to trade. I've done my rough analysis on all the pairs I trade. So, but the one that stands out is just this one pair, which is USDCHF. So I'll be trading USDCHF in this new week. So yeah, before I show you guys my entry and my exit, I would like to do my top down analysis on the pair and the reason behind why I chose to trade USDCHF, why it stands out among other pairs. So let's get started. So this is USDCHF, as you can see here, USDCHF, which is US dollar and Swiss franc, which is Switzerland currency. So this is the weekly time frame. There's no need for me to go on the monthly time frame because there's nothing really much happening there. So I will start with the weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we have been on a bearish movement for a couple of weeks now. Since last year May, we have been on a bearish movement. We have the lower low, lower high. When we range for a couple of weeks to months, we have been ranging. So and then we broke out to create a lower low, then create equal high here. Now we are heading down. Maybe we might come to create a double bottom. I don't know. That's why we are forestry that um for us to know what will happen next. We get. So on the weekly time frame, there's nothing much happening. So I have some support and resistance that helps me to determine the market movement. I have this strong support here and this strong resistance here. So the market has been trending inside this ranging box and we broke below to create a lower low. Now we went up to create equal high. This means the market was unable to change direction from down to uptrend, which means we are still in a downtrend because the market did not break above the previous high. So what does it mean? So I was okay when this happened. I was already looking for a selling opportunity, but I cannot sell because the market at that moment, the market was trading above this resistance zone, and my style of trading is that whenever the market is trading above a resistance zone, I'm not selling. I need to wait for the market to break below the resistance level so that it will become for the market to break below the new support level so that it will become the new resistance level. So let me show you what I mean by that. So the market broke above this resistance level, which becomes a new support level to push this market up. So for me to consider any selling opportunity, I need to wait for the market to break below this support level again, retest it before I start looking for selling opportunity. Because as far the market is level, above this level here, we are in a uptrend in a bit. So for me to consider selling, I need to wait for the market to break below the support level. Then I can start looking for selling opportunity. You get? So on the weekly time frame, and also if you look closely, we have this candlestick pattern forming here, which is called the evening star, which comprises of three candlestick, which is this strong bullish candle. Number two candle is a doji candle. So the third candle that confirms this evening star is this bearish engulfing candle. So this three candle formation is called the evening star, and this means candle candle pattern means the market is likely to reverse from uptrend to downtrend. So I have couple of confluences to why I will be selling this market. So and also this new week that just ended, the market also created another bearish candle, which is on the weekly time frame. So we have two weekly bearish candle, which signifies the market is on a bearish movement at the moment. So let's go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, so after the market broke below this support level, I was not looking for selling opportunities immediately. I need to wait for selling confirmation. So then I also spot this minor support level here. So this minor support level will be my confirmation candle. Sorry, my um, confirmation support to start looking for selling opportunity. So I have this minor support level right here. And also if you take a good look at this minor support level, the market has been respecting it for a very long time. We had a break, retest it for the first time, went up, come back again to retest it the second time. So for me to start looking for selling opportunity, I need to wait for the market to start trading below this support level, because the market can just come here and easily go up back. So I was waiting for this extra confirmation to happen before I start looking for selling opportunities. So and behold, last week Monday, which is on the 13th of April, the market broke below this confirmation support. So then I start looking, okay, then I start okay saying I need to start looking for selling opportunities. So then after this break confirmation, I went to the 4 hours time frame to start looking for selling opportunities. So let me delete everything I have here. Let me delete these things. I will put everything back. So on the 4 hour time frame, this was the break that happened. The break. So I was waiting for retracement to start looking for selling opportunity. So I had this retracement, then I entered my position around somewhere here. So why did I enter this trade? So the reason I entered this trade was because I have several confluences to go for the short. So let me write out my confluences. Where is my note? Okay. So number one confluence is um, is weekly evening star formation. Number two is but number two confirmation is um, break of two major support level. So the first support level was this major support level, and my confirmation um, support level was this other support level. So I waited for the market to break below before I start looking for sell opportunities. So at the moment, so after the break, I draw my counter trend line, which I normally use for my entries. I use counter trend lines for my entries. So I wait for the formation of this counter trend line, which was here. So after the break of this counter trend line, which happened on Friday, I went for shorts around somewhere here. Then I put my stop loss above the previous high, which was 70 pip stop loss. I use 70 pip stop loss because I need to put my stop loss above the previous high. So and my take profit is 1 is to 2.6, 1 to 2 ratio, 1 ratio 2.6 is my take profit. So this is my analysis, and for USDCHF, my entries, my top down breakdown of everything. So my third confirmation was number three was counter trend line break, which was this break that happened on Friday. This break here was my selling confirmation. Though right now at the moment, currently in drawdown. Though we have not hit full stop loss yet, we are currently in drawdown. Though I still believe in this trade will likely drop, because at the moment the US dollar is very very weak. So this is just a minor retracement because it is Friday. These things normally happen on Fridays. So I'm very very confident in this trade. So I will just keep my trade open, and I feel like there's a minor resistance right here, which the market might want to retest before it start dropping. So there's a minor resistance right here. Let me put the resistance. There's a minor resistance right here. So this might be the resistance the market want to retest before it start dropping. We might have something like this, which is here, and drop. So my stop loss is still far away, which I use 70 pips stop loss. So I would have used 60 pips, but I entered late. With 10 pips difference. So but my stop loss is 70 pips. So I'm still very confident in this trade. If this trade hits my full TP, I think I will pass the phase one, because currently I am up 2.8% in my 5k account. I was in drawdown of 2.2%. The trade I took last week on the USD card, it's my full TP. I will put the screenshot on the screen. Yeah, the one I took last week on USD card. So that the trade hit full TP, which took me from drawdown of 2.2% to 2.8% up. So yeah, this is my analysis for the week on USDCHF. So I hope this week will be a great one. If the market is stop loss, we will replan everything and look for a better entry. Yeah. I'm still looking for selling opportunities. I'm still very confident the market will drop. But in the case it doesn't, it does not matter. We look for another opportunity, another day to trade. So this is my full analysis on USD CHF. Yeah, I'll give the outcome on my next episode, which will be Trader Talk episode 2, which I will drop next Sunday. So thank you for watching. So before I end everything, I would like to show my 5k account, on Fundy Pips. So this is the 5k account I'm currently trading. I'm up 2.8%. I was in drawdown of minus 2.2%. Now I'm up 2.8%. I need 8% to pass this account, so I'm already up 2.8%. I need roughly around 4.8, I be 6.2% to pass the account. I need 6.2% to pass the account. So this trade on USDCHF, I am risking 2%. So I risk 2% on this trade. So I normally risk 2% per trade. So if this trade hits my full TP, I will likely pass my phase 1 and then I will go to phase 2. Yeah. So that's everything for now. I will put a screenshot of the trade I took last week. I'll put it on the screen. That trade is full TP. So thank you for watching, and please do me a favor to like and subscribe to so that when next I post episode 2, which is coming up next Sunday, you'll be notified. You'll be notified to come and watch and also learn one or two. Though I'm not teaching yet. I just come here to document everything I do. I don't teach. Please, I don't teach. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Chat with IK for more episode, for more trading content. Maybe I might drop some educational content during the week. So stay tuned and subscribe to this channel. I thank you for watching. I appreciate you.